In this video we will discuss about 9 tips to keep your metabolism healthy. Eat enough protein. Protein requires more energy to digest compared to fats or carbohydrates, which can help increase your metabolic rate. Include sources of lean protein in your diet such as chicken, fish, tofu, beans, and lentils. Stay hydrated. Drinking water can temporarily boost your metabolism. Aim to drink plenty of water throughout the day, as even mild dehydration can slow down metabolism. Include strength training. Muscle tissue burns more calories at rest than fat tissue. Incorporating strength training exercises into your routine can help build and maintain muscle mass, which can increase your metabolic rate over time. Prioritize sleep. Lack of sleep can disrupt hormonal balance and metabolism. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night to support overall health and metabolic function. Eat regular meals. Skipping meals or going long periods without eating can slow down your metabolism. Aim to eat regular, balanced meals and snacks throughout the day to keep your metabolism steady. Add high-intensity interval training, HIIT. HIIT workouts involve short bursts of intense exercise followed by brief rest periods. This type of exercise can help boost metabolism and burn more calories both during and after the workout. Manage stress. Chronic stress can lead to hormonal imbalances that may negatively impact metabolism. Incorporate stress-reducing practices such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or spending time in nature to support metabolic health. Eat metabolism-boosting foods. Certain foods, such as chili peppers, green tea, and coffee, contain compounds that can temporarily increase metabolism. While these effects may be modest, incorporating these foods into your diet can still be beneficial. Be active throughout the day. Incorporate movement into your daily routine whenever possible. Take the stairs instead of the elevator, go for short walks during breaks, or stand up and stretch regularly if you have a desk job. These small bursts of activity can add up and help keep your metabolism active. Remember that individual metabolic rates can vary based on factors such as age, genetics, and body composition. Focus on adopting healthy habits that support overall well-being, rather than solely focusing on boosting metabolism.